The water filter indicator, located on the control panel, will help you know when to change the water filter. When the dispenser control panel's water filter status displays, this tells you that it is almost time to change the water filter cartridge. When the light turns red on the control panel, this tells you that it is time to change the water filter cartridge. It is recommended that you replace the filter when the status light turns red or water flow to your dispenser or ice maker decreases noticeably. Note: if water flow to your water dispenser or ice maker decreases noticeably, change the filter sooner. The filter should be replaced at least every 6 months depending on your water quality and usage. When dispensing water after the replace filter icon is on, the replace filter icon blinks for the duration of dispensing. Filter reset. After changing the filter, press and hold the filter reset button for 3 seconds. The button will no longer display once reset. See your model's owner's manual, quick start guide, or scan the QR code in your refrigerator for additional information.